In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete YouTube account on iPhone and Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, the official YouTube app still doesn't have a direct delete channel button, so to delete your channel permanently on like any phone, you have to go through your Google account settings within the application or use a mobile browser to access the desktop version of YouTube Studio. So the first and the easiest method is the Google service method. And this allows you to delete your YouTube data specifically without affecting your Gmail, photos, or Drive. So what you want to do is open up your YouTube application. On the bottom right, tap your profile icon. Now, once you're here, on the top left, go ahead and click on accounts. Then when you click on accounts, go ahead to manage your Google account. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're here, go over to the data and privacy tab. And then from the data and privacy tab, scroll down to download or delete your data. So I'm just going to scroll down. There's going to be a bunch of different options, but you're going to see delete your Google account, or it's going to say remove data from services that you no longer use. That's the one we want to go ahead and end up clicking. And it says use your passkey to confirm that it's really you. If you don't have a passkey though, what you can do is just enter your password, and that's going to also work as well. But once it verifies that it's you, you're going to see a lot of different things. But you're going to see YouTube as one of the options. So all you want to do is go ahead and click the trash icon, and then you just have to confirm that it's you again. And then that's literally it. It's going to delete your YouTube history and everything that you've, uploaded permanently so that no one can see it and you won't even be able to access it either. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.